Today is April 5th and they're 41 days old, and I believe that is ash, and there's charcoal, and my son decided to call that one Mars, and there's Aurora. So looking good. There you go, better color. And got their bedding all done today, got it nice and clean. Got some fresh water in here. Try to keep fresh water in here. And got 2 cups of feed in there. That usually lasts about a day and a half, 2 days. And well, we'll see how they look tomorrow. Yeah, I know. I can pick them up. Okay, they just fuss about it a little bit, but they're not too bad. I take my hand, walk all over it. Aurora here loves picking the hair on my arm. See if she's got a foot on my hand there. She did have. And all these are supposed to be laying hens. And 2 of them are supposed to have like the Easter eggs. I think one's supposed to be blue, one's supposed to be green. I'm not sure exactly which one's which yet. And the other 2 are supposed to lay brown eggs. So we'll see what we have whenever they start laying. We'll check back with them later. Today is April 7th, and they're 43 days old. And I've got them some fresh bedding. Got a little bit of water here for them. Got their food dish took care of. And let's see. Here they are. Man, they're getting way big. Alright. I want to move them over and I'll get right back with you. Got them back in there. Get the shadow out of the way there. Okay, now I washed their feeder out, and they're pecking at the water drops that's on the top. I guess I should have dried it off, but I mean, they're at it. Yes. I'm trying to get by to get to the water. Hey girl, she's such a sweetheart. The lighting is terrible. There we go. So, well, I want to let them get to it, so we'll check back with them later. It's just all in the light. Maybe if I move over here. There we go. All right. See y'all a little later. The day is April 8th, and they're 44 days old today. Look at that. Their head's way up there now. Ain't they pretty? Little girls. I hope they're all girls anyway. I call them girls. We'll see what happens. Well, we'll see what they look like tomorrow maybe. Good night. Today is April 9th, and my birds are 45 days old. I've got some fresh water. I've redone their bedding. Got some feed, and their little roost I made them. So, or perch, whatever you want to call it. So, they're here in this other tote, and I'm gonna grab them here and see what they look like up close. Okay, I want to try to catch one here. See if she'll let me. Come on. Oop. Come on. Come on. Come on. There There we go. There we go. Say hello. Okay, so let me go ahead and get them put in there and I'll be right back. Get them back there. There we go. Alrighty, and we're going to put the lid on them and see how they're doing later. Today is April the 11th and they're 47 days old. I got them outside to let them get a little fresh air. You know, got them in this little actual dog kennel, and took the bottom out of it so they could eat some grass and peck around in the dirt a little bit. So, all right, they've been out here a couple hours, so I'm gonna take them in and put them back up for now. And we'll chat back with them later. Sorry about the wind. I got them back in their pen here. Temporary pen. Brooder. Yeah. They'll behave. We're hoping that they're all females. Won't know until a little while, I guess. I know there's a way to check, but I don't know how to do that. So I'm just waiting to see what happens. So I'm going to put the lid on it and we'll check them later. Today is April 12th and they're 48 days old, and I'm going to try to do this with one hand, but it probably won't work, but we'll see. So anyway, and this is Ash. I'll see if I can get her. She's going to want to try to fly on me. Alright, Miss Ash, and this is Charcoal. Come on, come on. It's okay, it's okay. And then we have Aurora. Come on. There we go. She's usually pretty good, but say hello. Okay. And here's Mars. Sometimes she can be a little feisty. Easy. It was okay. Okay. There we go. Once y'all get calmed down. It's April 13th. And they got their bed all nice and freshened up. Got them some fresh water. Got them some feed. Got them down in here, and it's just easier for me to get them with two hands instead of one. And they're 49 days old, so I'll get right back with you and I'll get them into the other tote and we'll take another look at them. I got them back in their tote. Alright, well, we'll check on them later. Today is April 14th, and the chickens are 50 days old today. Okay, let's see. Got them down in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put them over here in their other tote and get back with you in a second. They're all back in their little tote. Hard to see with the lighting. Alright, today is the 15th. They're 51 days old. Getting big. You can see they're poking their heads up for the tote, and it's a big tote. Hey girl. I hope they're all girls. I'm beginning to wonder about Mars there. See how the tail's coming out to a fine point there? Of course, I really don't know how to tell. You have to wait till you get bigger, I guess. And I know there's a way the old timers used to be able to tell. But anyway, we'll check with them later. April the 20th, and they're 56 days old. It's been a little bit since I've filmed them. Let's see. See if I can get a good look at them down here. Get down here. There goes Aurora, and there's Mars. And for whatever reason, they're going in the house. Let's see if I can take a look and see what's going on inside here. Hello, girls. I don't know if you can see them or not. There we go. It's like ash. There's charcoal. Yep, they're doing good. I put them out probably 4 or 5 days ago. And then we had some rain and stuff like that, so I didn't get a chance to record them or anything. But this is the little chicken coop I had built for them that I got from Tractor Supply. And they seem to like it pretty much. And the first night I locked them up in this thing, or put them in here and shut the door. And ever since then, they come and go as they please, and at night time they go in there and put themselves up. Hello. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to leave them alone. My phone is actually, battery's dying, so I've got to go charge this thing. But we'll check back with them later. There she is. There's Mars. Alright. Chicken coop's looking pretty nice. Seems to be doing well. Yeah, I still left the sign on there. There you go. Got that bin open on this side. And we'll check back with them later. Okay, today's April 30th. And it's been a while since I did any videoing of the chickens. They're 66 days old. Look how big they've got. There's Aurora. There's Charcoal. There's Mars. And there's Ash. Alright. Well, we'll check with them a little later. See how they're doing.